I'm Vinodh Kumar K. I have completed my MBA, then I have completed my CPA in 2019. I'm based out of Bangalore. I'm working as a manager in one of the private audit firm. I started my career in 2014 with one of the big four, KPMG. So then, like when I was working as an associate, I heard about Miles through Varun Jain. So he's the one who came to the office, like KPMG. They had the, like KPMG had a connection with Miles, and he came and he gave the introduction about CPA, and then we got to know more about it, like what is our future and how it helps us to grow in the audit field, or be it audit or any other field. Like if you're an accountant, or if you're a tax person, or if you're any other financial background, like how it gives more opportunities in future and how you can grow in this world. That is the one thing which motivated me to do CPA. First thing, they need to plan. They should have a proper plan. So if you want to say, for example, if you want to do it in a year or 2 years, then make a plan in the beginning. So it's about your plan, and that is how it works. And second thing, about when you are studying a subject, or you say when you're studying a chapter, make a things highlighted, or keep a note of the things whichever you are very familiar with, because once you remember that, definitely you can remember it later also. You need to be more careful about the concept which you are not aware, and which you feel difficult. So that is the one thing that you need to make a note and revisit those things again and again, and practice more of simulations, because now the complexity of exam also is getting increased, right? Like probably you need to put more efforts on simulations. CPA matlab miles.